I am a caveman, and I speak poorly. I explain complex things so simple, even a rock can understand. Today's topic is money-saving tips. Listen closely, modern tribe. I started saving money long before humans invented pockets. I saved so well that even other cavemen whispered, "Why this guy have more mammoth steaks than whole tribe combined?" Money saving is simple. Humans love making it complicated, but cavemen say, keep more than you spend. That's it. If you spend everything, your wallet becomes skeleton. Looks interesting, but totally useless. This is where most modern hunters fail. They chase shiny things like early humans chased lightning, pointlessly and with screaming. First rule, track your spending. If you don't know where your money goes, it disappears like mammoth in swamp. Back in my time, I marked every expense on cave wall. Extra spear, mark. Extra dried meat, mark. Bribe to tribe chief, double mark. At end of moon cycle, I looked at wall and said, "Wow, me stupid. Why me buy third spear? Me not octopus." This is called expense awareness. Second rule, pay yourself first. Every time you get money, take a piece for you first. Not after bills, not after eating, not after buying shiny, useless thing that breaks in two sunrises. I always saved meat first. Tribe ate later. That's why tribe skinny, I rich. Pretend it never existed, like X who still texts sometimes. No, gone. This is called automatic savings. Third rule, cut stupid spending. Everybody has it. You know it. Daily overpriced coffee? Stupid. Gadgets you use once? Very stupid. Subscription you forgot you're paying for? Ultra stupid. In my time, stupid spending looked like buying fancy stones to impress other cave ladies. Fire burns out fast. Then you pour, cold and alone, with shiny rock. This is called expense optimization. Fourth rule, build emergency fund. Life throws problems like angry tribe throws spears. Sick, car breaks, roof leaks, random disaster. If you have savings, you survive. Back then, I stored dried meat in secret cave. When tribes stole my stuff, jealous fools, I still ate well. That's what you need, secret cave of money. This is called financial cushion. Fifth rule, think long-term. Saving is not about today, it's about future you. Older, wiser, maybe bold, maybe still sexy. Who knows? I saved meat not for next day, but for next hunt season. That's why I lived like king, while others fought over bones. Save a part of everything you earn, month after month, year after year. Tiny amounts become huge. This is called discipline. And last rule, don't try to look rich. Try to be rich. People today buy expensive things to show status. In tribe, same thing. Hunters wearing feathers they didn't earn. Everyone laughs behind their backs. Real wealth is quiet. Real savings grow in shadows. Real success smells like focused effort, not new perfume bought on credit. This is called financial wisdom. You can save money no matter your age, income, or past mistakes. Start tracking. Start cutting. Start paying yourself first. Do this long enough, and you become financially powerful. Maybe not as powerful as me. I invented budgeting before fire, but close enough. Now you understand money. You save, you grow. We are both happy.